made an oopsie whoopsie, a little mistakesy wakesy.
I look forward. No look forward. Look forward.
Did it just stall, Ty?
Yeah, it just stalled.
Your dad thought the clutch popped off.
I mean, no, the chain's on and everything.
So what happened?
It just stalled on the
Lift up the visor.
It just stalled on the sudden. As soon as I twist, yeah.
Oh, oh no,
Oh, the throttle cable broke.
the throttle cable came off. What in the world?
You want to get it through here?
Oh well.
No, we'll wait till the end.
Okay.
That's a new one.
Yeah, that's a new one. Yep.
Yep. Well, hey, don't worry. We can fix it. I got extra ones too in case we have to.
Yeah, I did.
It's just a pain in the butt to get that cable back on.
Wow. All right, nothing you did, Ty.
Yep.
Well,
Then
damn.
I'll start lasting the feature.
Well, it'll be like the video game, right? You just
Yeah.
have to
Start
make your
it
way
back
through.
and make it all the way back through.
Get you working on that passing experience we've been working on. Well, damn. All right, brother. Well, I got plenty of spare parts, so.
Yeah.
Jeez.
You good, bro? You need help taking your helmet off? You want to keep it on, or?
Just gotta keep it on while it's on
no,
trail.
Hey, Ty.
Yeah.
So it was good during the warm up, and then all of a sudden at the start it was like no go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless it was because, like at 206, when you try to get back to the spot, I know he like clipped me right there, but I probably.
I don't think that would be it.
Yeah, that wouldn't.
He got all the way pretty much to the top of the hill. Because he rolled literally right here. So it gave out somewhere right there.
Yeah. Oh well, Ty. That's racing. We'll get him in the feature, you know?
Yep.